Hi, day two, PrintPack India, and we're now on the Lineomatic stand, and I'm with Mahesh Panchal. Mahesh, very nice to meet you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Amazing stand. You've got some kit on here. Would you like to just give me a little bit more information about what you're displaying here?
Basically, it's a Lineomatic India Private Limited. Our company is overall 50-year-old company.
Right.
And here we have displayed total 4 different machines. Our company is into this industry for last 50 years.
Right, okay.
And we have total 4 manufacturing units. We are based in Ahmedabad. Our province is Gujarat, near to Mumbai. We have total more than 50 CNC machines to make all mechanical parts in-house.
Right. Oh, okay.
And 70% components what we use in our machines that are European brands. So we
Right.
don't compromise on quality
Okay.
and service.
Right, okay.
And we have our 60 technicians in service. So we operate everything from our head office.
Right.
And total we have 700 people. That's
Right.
our workforce and our asset.
Okay.
So we have 700 people working in our company.
Right. So, as far as the machinery that you've got here, these are all certified for export?
Yes, all machines are certified, made in-house in our factory. All our machines are CE certified. We are exporting our machines to more than 95 countries.
Right, okay.
Like we have presence in Africa, we have presence in Europe, in Americas, North, Central, South, and Far Eastern region, as well as neighboring countries.
Right, okay.
So we have a huge customer base. We are exporting our machines. We have customers like 4,000 customers using our machines till now.
Right, well that's quite impressive.
Yeah.
And I mean, the full solution here, the exercise book solution that you got here, I mean, that's what kind of fascinated me when I first come on. I mean, is this the standard solution, or are these tend to be more bespoke solutions?
Basically it's completely full solutions.
Okay.
So it's a complete fully automatic solution. Like whosoever who wants to produce this staple pin notebook machine.
Yeah.
So we have complete solution. You just load the reel and you get the finished notebook at the end.
Right.
So here we have displayed the complete fully automatic machine. So you can see machine is equipped with all latest features.
Yeah.
So it has auto splicer, so you don't have to stop the machine. Without stopping the machine, non-stop, you run the machine,
Right.
load the reel, printing, cutting, stitching, and at the end you get the complete
Yeah.
book stack. So that book is ready, so you can sell it into the market. So it's
Right.
a completely fully automatic solution for staple pin notebooks.
Right.
And in India, I would say that 95% staple pin notebooks you will find anywhere in India that is produced on Lineomatic machines.
Right. Okay. And you said that you've actually got one of these machines running in the UK, I understand.
Yeah. In UK, we have a customer called Sinclair,
Right.
which is 150-year-old company,
Yeah. Yeah.
and he is using our machines almost 4 years now, and they are also looking for another machine.
Right.
So
okay.
we have a presence in UK. So that's a big thing that UK-based British-owned company using our machine. So that's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
biggest benchmark for Lineomatic,
Yeah, yeah.
having machine in UK.
So I guess that facilitates kind of on-demand printing. So books can be produced to order.
Yeah, see, basically, by having this machine in UK, they produce books with much more efficiently and for more productivity.
Okay.
So they get advantage of having our machine. So they get better price, good quality, and prompt service.
Right.
So these are our, I would say, 3 pillars of Lineomatic.
Right.
That's why we are known in the world for our products.
Yeah. 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 And how flexible is the system? Do you build bespoke systems to order?
See, basically, machine is completely very much user friendly.
Right. Okay.
So, like we plan around 1 month installation period.
Right. Okay.
So we send our operators for 1 month in customer's factory.
Yeah.
So in 1 week they will finish the installation,
Right.
and remaining 3 weeks for complete installation.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah.
Well, as I say, I mean, we had a walkthrough earlier, and it's an amazing machine to actually paper in books out with the sheeters and all of that. Well, I hope you have a fantastic show. I mean, it's very busy today. It's very busy.
And apart from that also, we have launched this roll-to-roll flexo machine.
Right, okay.
So it has multiple applications. So you can see this is one of its kind, which is manufactured by Lineomatic in India.
Right.
Roll-to-roll flexo printing machine.
Yeah.
Apart from this, we have also displayed double ring Viro machine. So this also solution is there that you just feed the blocks and you get the double ring books at the end.
Yeah.
So that is also one of its kind machine made by Lineomatic.
Right. Well, as I say, I mean, the solutions that you're offering here, as I say, that caught our eye when you come in because the rewinder and the winder are both at the same end, which is quite unusual. Well, as I say, it's been an absolute pleasure talking to you.
Thank you,
for your time.
Thank you for visiting our store.
Thank
Thank you for your time.
Thank
have
you.
a great show. Take care. Bye-bye.